Hi, folks. This is Chad at Apsona. I want to use this video to talk a little bit about templates for document merges, more specifically, just kind of how they're managed and stored. And I'll talk a little bit about like visibility issues as I can think of the things that might come up for folks. So first off, kind of the main thing I want to communicate is that templates for your merge actions are typically going to be like a Word doc or an Excel, and they are stored in Salesforce as a document. So this tab right here is the home for all of your templates for your merge actions. If you don't see documents in your menu bar, first go to More and look for it here. If you don't see it here, then it is most likely due to the fact that you need to add this object to your configuration in Apsona. If you're not an admin user, you'll need to ask an admin at your organization to do that. A quick preview is you would go to Settings, Configurations, choose the configuration that's tied to your profile, and then click Edit and move the documents object from the non-visible area to the visible area. And more specifically, if you want to have it show up on your menu bar, which I highly suggest, if you are building merge actions, you want documents here because you're going to go here a lot. In the last step here, you can add objects to show up in your menu bar. So you would take your documents from the visible objects and bring it to used objects in order. And that's what defines the menu bar up here. Okay, so back to the topic at hand. So we're in the Documents tab, and we can find our documents here. So as you are creating templates and wanting to get them into the system, this is the best place to go to do that. You go to Documents, you click Upload, and you choose the file from your computer. You do get an option of what folder to save it in. My suggestion is just to have a shared documents folder. I think this even comes out of the box with Salesforce. This is a public folder. And that's one of the keys to visibility is making sure that templates are stored in a public folder so that you can see them. So just pick a folder. You could even make, subfolders if you want, but basically Apsona is going to show you any template that it can see in Salesforce regardless of its folder. So folderizing your templates is not super crucial. It just needs to be public. And then once your template's in, of course, you can replace it if you have a newer version from the same screen. You can download it to review it, things like that. So if you are not seeing your template, I want to talk a little bit more about that. There could be a bunch of different reasons, but I think the main one would probably be that the template itself is maybe not set up right, or it's in a folder that's not public. So after searching for your document by name and you're not finding it, one kind of troubleshooting option is to look at these files directly in Salesforce so that you could see their settings and the folders that they're in. So to do that, I'm going to go to this tab and I'm going to just switch to Classic. The reason we have to do this, and this will be an edge case, this is a rarity, but the documents object technically is a classic object. It's been replaced by files, but Apsona still uses it for its templates. If you click this plus sign, once you get into classic, it's going to show you all of the objects that it can see. And on the left side, you will always find about halfway down, you're going to see documents here. So go to documents, and now you're going to see all the folders that are available to you. And you're going to see the templates within those folders. So if you are unsure whether the folder is a public facing folder, you can click edit on that folder and it's going to say what the setting is. So this folder is accessible by all users. That's what you want your folder to be for Apsona templates. If it's not, you'll just want to change that. If you intentionally want to hide templates from certain users, of course, you have all the options that Salesforce gives you. And then for the template itself, if we go to a template, this right here, document content searchable, I think that that is important to have checked. I believe that this has to do with the visibility of the template as well. I don't think that internal use only matters, but I think probably a good best practice is just to leave that unchecked. I think if you have all of those things set correctly, then the template should be visible to you. If you have brought in your template as a file in Salesforce, it will not be available. It has to be specifically a document object. Okay, I think that's everything. Thanks for your time.